Hi, I am really excited to be coming to posit conf this autumn to give a workshop with Ian Lyttle called From Our User to Our Programmer. My name is Emma Rand and I'm an Associate Prof in Computational Biology at the University of York in the UK. These are my 3 reasons for taking our workshop. So number 1, we think this is for any R user. So whether you've been using R for a while or you're relatively new, if you want to take that step from user to programmer, then our workshop might be for you. Number 2, we want to make you more efficient so you can do less copying and pasting of code by teaching you 2 techniques. One is how to write functions that follow conventions, which make them easier to write and to use. And secondly, we're going to teach you iteration, which shows you how to do the same action on lots of different R objects. And then number 3, I think, is me and Ian. So we can both remember what it was like to learn some of these techniques and the sort of light bulb moments it gave us. And we really feel quite passionately that it would be great to give other people that experience of really making the leap into R programmer. So I hope to see you there in autumn.
I'm Ian Lyttle, a data scientist at Schneider Electric, and I am so excited to be working with Emma Rand on a one-day workshop at PositConf called From Our User to Our Programmer. If you've written some R scripts, some R Markdown reports, maybe even some Quarto reports, and you're looking to put a little more power into your R code, this workshop could be for you. We're going to talk about how you can write your own functions and show ways to avoid trouble. For example, functions can have side effects. Let me show you what I mean. This is Binford. He's a wonderful basset hound. Binford created this side effect by chewing up this boot. Now, side effects aren't necessarily bad things, and they usually aren't, but there's something that we should keep our eye on. We'll show you how you can use the withR package to manage side effects. Let's say you've written a function to read a specially formatted file, but you have a directory full of these files. We'll show you how you can use the per package to run this function many times instead of just once. I think you'll enjoy working with Emma and me. Emma made this point in her video, so I hope she won't mind that I use it too. We've both been there. We both know how frustrating it can be to get something working, and how awesome it feels when everything falls into place. The whole point of our workshop is to make it easier for you to get to awesome. Chicago is one of my favorite places, and it's amazing in September. Emma and I both hope you can join us all in Chicago for PositConf 2023.